Hi everyone, this is English 4's instructional video for week 23. Your assignments for the week are 8, 6, 7, and 8. The learning target this week is I can identify the various types of point of view and write using them. All right, so point of view. First person point of view uses the pronouns I, me, and we. The narrator is in the story telling the story. Second person uses the pronoun you. This is typically used when giving directions. We have third person, which uses pronouns like he, she, they, them, it. There's third person limited, objective, and omniscient. So third person limited, the narrator is outside of the story, but knows the thoughts, feelings, and experiences of one character. It's limited to one. Third person objective, the narrator describes what is happening to the characters in the story and does not show us anyone's thoughts or feelings. And then third person omniscient means that the narrator is outside of the story, but they know the thoughts and feelings and experiences of all the characters. So we know what they're all thinking and doing throughout the whole story. All right, narration. In a short story, everything that's neither description nor dialogue is narration, the relating of actions and incidents. It can be mingled with either description or dialogue, or be used by itself to provide some background information. The author has to keep in mind the point of view and keep it consistent throughout. All right, for the explore portion of this lesson, I'd like you to read through this PDF to see the differences between the different types of points of views. I'd like you to watch this video to learn more about point of view and look at some examples. And then I have some flashcards I'd like you to flip through in this link to learn some more about point of view as well. So please take a few moments to complete these activities. All right, for the explain portion, in a Google Doc, explain the different types of point of view. For the evaluate portion, I'd like you to take this quick quiz to see what you learned about point of view. For the elaborate portion in your Google Doc that you already started, I'd like you to write a paragraph in one of the types of point of view and of your choice, and I'd like you to label which one you choose. And there's a rubric to show how you'll be scored. And then finally, the express portion. Now that you've learned more about point of view, how do you feel about your progress? Please read through these statements and choose the one that best suits you and write that in your Google Doc. And then for your reflection, also in your Google Doc, I'd like you to answer the following question. What did you find to be the most difficult about this topic? All right, I hope you have a wonderful week, and please let me know if you have any questions or concerns about anything. All right, thanks. Bye.